rotate Gizmo. Go to the Home tab and here it is, rotate Gizmo. Select this tool and select the object. Now you can see the rotation direction. You can see each direction, X, Y and Z direction you can make rotate using this tool. Just click this origin and you can place it wherever you want. Wherever you want, you can place it like this. And if you select this one, you can see now I select this red one. If I select this red one and I remove this ortho mode, now you can see freely you can rotate like this. Now you can directly give the angle. I just give the angle 45, enter. Now you can see it is rotate 45 degree. I select this one and minus 45 and it is come back to the original position. So similar way you can select this green one, this direction, you can select this one, you can make rotation in this direction, or you can select this one and you can make rotation in any direction like this. You can directly give the value, or you can just simply you can place it in the place. At the same time, if you select any direction, you can see few more options. If you want to change this base point, you can just click here and which place you need to make, you can just place it like this. Now it is showing, it is placed here. Now we can see here few more options. The first one, it is copy. You can select this copy. If you select the copy and I just make it 45, see here it is copied and we got it 45 degree. Control Z. Again go to the rotate Gizmo and select this one. Again I select here. If you made some changes, that one you need to go back one step. You can use undo. At the same time you can use a reference. Using 2 points reference you can rotate. I just select this reference and I select this point and this point. Approximately this point. Now you can see you can using this reference you can rotate like that. You can fix your reference. If you finish, you can use exit or you can simply escape key in your keyboard. It will come out. Using this Gizmo rotate Gizmo tool, you can rotate any direction very easily. At the same time, you can use this rotate command also, but if you are using this rotate command, you have to check with these coordinates. These coordinates will work in XY plane. If you need to rotate any other direction, you have to change these coordinates, then you need to rotate. But Gizmo tool, very simple. You can select the direction, you can simply rotate the direction.